Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. How to manage money in your 20s. The ultimate beginner's guide. In your 20s, every decision about money creates a ripple effect. Small changes can lead to substantial outcomes. It's crucial to understand that the foundation you lay now influences your financial health for decades. As you embark on this journey towards financial freedom, remember that awareness is your best tool. Start by tracking every dollar that comes in and out. Be honest with yourself about your spending habits, and don't shy away from taking a hard look at where your money truly goes each month. Create a visual of your finances that keeps you accountable to your goals. This knowledge will empower you to make informed choices, develop new saving habits, and feel more in control of your financial destiny. Of course, as you assess your spending, remember to categorize your expenses clearly. This distinction between needs and wants is fundamental to effective budgeting. By consciously separating these aspects, you can prioritize essential payments like rent and bills, while also allowing space for enjoyable activities. It's essential to understand that spending is not inherently negative, but it's about making choices that align with your long-term financial goals. Look for areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your quality of life, and stay adaptable as your circumstances change. Flexibility is key in navigating your financial path. To successfully transition from tracking your finances to building a solid budget, focus on the 50-30-20 rule. This method provides a straightforward framework. Allocate 50% of your income to essential needs, which include rent, groceries, and utilities. 30% goes towards wants, such as dining out or entertainment. And finally, reserve 20% for savings and debt repayment. This structure not only helps in managing your monthly expenses but also encourages mindful spending, ensuring that you live within your means while still enjoying life. The real transformation happens when you commit to this budgeting strategy and make it a habit. Your future self will thank you for it. In your pursuit of financial stability, it's essential to recognize the emotional side of money. Many find themselves drawn to impulsive purchases as a means of coping with stress or sadness. Understanding this mindset can be a powerful catalyst for change. Instead of reaching for your wallet, consider healthier alternatives to manage those emotions. Perhaps a brisk walk or engaging conversation with a friend. By replacing shopping sprees with activities that bring fulfillment, you not only curb unnecessary spending but also create a more balanced approach to your finances. Remember, managing money effectively is as much about mindset as it is about dollars and cents. As you reflect on your spending habits, identify any recurring patterns, especially those influenced by emotions. Are there certain triggers that lead to impulsive shopping or unnecessary purchases? By recognizing these patterns, you can create strategies to mitigate them, ensuring that your financial choices align with your long-term aspirations. It's about creating a supportive environment for yourself, one that encourages smart spending and fosters a sense of control over your financial life. Let this process deepen your understanding of your relationship with money, and allow it to guide you toward more intentional decisions that contribute to your financial well-being, freeing you from the shackles of emotional spending. As you begin to explore the world of credit, understand that it plays a vital role in your financial journey. Your credit score can significantly impact your ability to secure loans, negotiate interest rates, and even affect potential job opportunities. It's essential to start building your credit history early, so consider applying for a secured credit card as a stepping stone. These cards typically require a deposit that serves as your credit limit, making them easier to obtain for those just starting out. Use it wisely for small purchases and aim to pay off the balance in full every month to avoid interest charges. And never forget the importance of making timely payments to boost your score positively. Each small action you take in establishing good credit habits today will pave the way for greater financial opportunities in the future. As you navigate through the process of building credit, it's vital to maintain your credit utilization below 30%. This means that if you have a credit limit of $1,000, keep your balance under $300 at all times. Doing so shows lenders that you're a responsible borrower, which can positively affect your score over time. Furthermore, avoid opening multiple accounts in a short span. Each credit inquiry can temporarily ding your score and may appear as a sign of risk to potential lenders. Building a solid credit foundation may take time, but it's a key aspect of your financial health that will serve you well as you approach other goals, such as buying a home or taking out a car loan. Prioritize your credit journey just as much as your saving habits, and you'll see the benefits ripple through every financial decision you make. As you strive to enhance your financial stability, it's crucial to prepare for life's unexpected events by establishing an emergency fund. An emergency fund acts as your safety net when unforeseen circumstances arise, such as medical expenses or car repairs. Starting small, aim to save at least $500 to $1,000 to cover immediate needs, then gradually increase this amount until you have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses available. By setting aside these funds in a high-yield savings account, not only do you ensure you're financially protected, but you also foster peace of mind, knowing that you are prepared for whatever life throws your way. This practice helps you avoid reliance on high-interest credit cards in emergencies while creating a buffer that empowers you to navigate challenges with confidence. In your early 20s, opening the right financial accounts is a crucial step towards financial independence. Start with a checking account for your day-to-day spending, ensuring that you can easily manage your income and expenses. Next, establish a savings account designated for short-term goals, along with a high-yield savings account to make your money work for you through interest accumulation. As you think long-term, consider setting up a retirement account, like a Roth IRA or 401k, even if you're just starting out. This early investment will significantly impact your future financial security. Lastly, a brokerage account allows you to explore investment opportunities outside your retirement savings. By organizing your finances efficiently and by their purpose, you pave the way for responsible money management, a key to building wealth over time. As you start to invest, remember that you don't need a large sum to begin. Many investing platforms allow you to start with as little as $5 or $10. This low barrier to entry gives you the chance to dip your toes into the investment world without feeling overwhelmed. Focus on broad-based index funds, dividend stocks, or S&P 500 ETFs to create a diverse portfolio that can grow over time. The earlier you begin investing, the more you can harness the power of compound interest, which can significantly amplify your wealth in the long run. The goal is to build a habit of investing regularly, so even small contributions can lead to substantial growth as time passes. Start by immersing yourself in the world of financial literacy, recognizing that most educational systems overlook essential personal finance skills. Seek resources that resonate with you, whether it's engaging YouTube channels, insightful books, or informative podcasts that can offer guidance on navigating your financial journey. Prioritize your education in this field, as the knowledge acquired now can yield impressive dividends throughout your life. Commit to continuous learning and bring curiosity into your relationship with money, and soon you will be better equipped to make sound financial decisions that align with your personal goals. As you forge ahead, remember that financial mastery is not a sprint. It's a lifelong marathon filled with lessons and growth opportunities. Aim to embrace each experience as a stepping stone toward financial empowerment. As you reflect on the importance of setting goals, think deeply about what financial achievements resonate with you. Would you like to pay off your student loans, save for a dream vacation, or perhaps invest in your very first home? By clearly defining your aspirations, you create a roadmap for your financial journey. Break these goals into smaller, actionable steps that you can tackle each month, allowing for a sense of accomplishment as you progress. Celebrate these milestones, as every bit of progress builds momentum and reinforces the positive changes you're making in your financial life, ultimately steering you towards the future you envision. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone in their 20s who could benefit from a financial reset. By taking these steps today, you're ensuring a more secure financial future for yourself. Together, let's master money and transform challenges into opportunities. By embracing these 10 essential steps, you are not only setting the stage for a financially intelligent future, but also empowering yourself to navigate life's uncertainties with confidence. Remember, it's never too late to start, and every small action contributes to your financial journey. This is where your path to financial freedom begins. Thanks for watching MoneyLoop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Thumbs up, like, speech balloon comments, bell subscriptions.